Let's see how much the strawberries are. Let's have a look. Winter time is the best time to get strawberries in China. I'm trying to practice my broken Chinese now. Yeah. 这个草莓多少钱一斤？
这个是
25。25。
这个是40一斤。
为什么不一样的？
品种不一样。
啊，很甜吗？
啊？
这个很甜。
你可以尝一个。
啊？尝一下吗？哇，不错。
这个的话它就软一些。
这个40。给我一斤40。
称多少？称多少？多少钱？还是这一盒？
一盒。So rather than get 1 kg, I go for 1 box. That's 一盒。
再给你添2个100块钱的。
好了。
哇哦，不错呀。
So that is 100. If you're wondering what the bang is in the background, that is people letting off fireworks celebrating Chinese New Year.
102收100块钱。
100好。Oops. 好了。谢谢。再见。There you go. And that's how to buy a punnet of strawberries in the winter in China. So that is like just over 2 kg. That is. Actually, slight correction. It was about just over 1.5 kg. Yeah. 好了，新年快乐！
新年快乐，新年快乐！
Right, strawberries done. Time to head back home with my delicious strawberries.